If you have already subscribed to Crafty Universe, then click the bell icon to get instant notification when I put a new video.
Hi friends, welcome back to Crafty Universe. Today we will unbox airsoft gun. It's available in Amazon and Flipkart. The company of this is HH. Let's open it. They gave a gun with laser and bullets. Let's take the gun out. The plastic was very good and strong enough to play with it. They see a blue light with the laser. The laser is very powerful. This is the loader where you can load the bullets and play. Now we will check out the bullets. I think they gave a pockets of bullets and extra bullets. Yeah, a pocket of 10 bullets. Sorry for delaying it. And they gave extra 4 bullets. Now we will open that bullets also. And now we can load it with the gun and see. See, they gave a button. When you push it, the loader will come out of it. You can see it now. See? I'm going to load 5 bullets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you can, when you push back the trigger, it's triggered. Now it's ready to shoot. I on the laser also. Wow, it perfectly shoots well. Now we can check it out with the balloons. I took a pink balloon for checking it. See, it bursts. Now we can see in slow motion. That's it. I'll give the link in the description to buy this gun. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you want this unboxing video, then comment below. Thank you guys.